this video, which is going to show you how you can set up your classes in ExactPath. Again, this is the Edmentum product ExactPath, and for all teachers across our district, you do have to go into ExactPath and create your classes as well as add students into your classes. So the first thing you'll need to do is get yourself logged into ExactPath. Once you're logged in, look up in the black upper left-hand corner bar and click on ExactPath. When you land here, you then need to select My Classes and Manage Classes. If it's your first time in here and you're just working to get your class created, you're going to utilize this blue Create a Class button. You'll need to name your class. Please be sure to use a pretty specific name, as we can see several different names and class names across the district. So I would recommend, if you want, to use your name. The subject area, if you want to specialize in a certain subject area, if you're elementary, you can just keep it grade level if you wish. So instead of math, I could put 4th grade. And then we suggest also that you add at least 18-19 so that you know that this is for this school year. The class is designated for this school year. Then you'll select your school and grade. If you want to add any co-teachers, you can add co-teachers here. Right now, it's only certified staff that you can add in as co-teachers. So your special ed teachers, if you need to add in for co-teaching, or if you have where you are a certain grade level and you share subject areas. So let's say I'm a 4th grade teacher and I teach math to all the different 4th grade classes, and we rotate around and someone else teaches my students social studies, etc. Then I could come in here and add all of my 4th grade co-teachers if I wish. Underneath, you'll see where you can select students. You have the ability to search for certain students, or right now it's showing me all students in Bright Elementary School, which is quite a bit to rifle through. So if I want, maybe I just want to look at Bright Elementary School and I want to look at all 4th graders since I'm teaching 4th grade. And then I can go in and click on my students' names to add them into my class. If you would happen to get a new student, we'll talk through that in a minute, what you can do once your class has already been set up and created, how you can get a new student who comes in added into your class later on. All right, I'm going to run with these 5 students in my class, and I'm going to say Save Class. My class has now been created, and I can see my classes underneath of Manage Classes. If you're a middle school teacher, this is a great place for you to create all of your different subject area classes or all your different prep classes. So if I teach 4 periods of math, I'd create 4 different classes and put each period's class roster into each different class, so I have the ability to work with those different groups individually. In the case that you have a student who moves in later on down in the 9-week period or later on in the school year, what you'll want to do is, again, get yourself logged into ExactPath, come to My Classes, Manage Classes, and the class that you need to add the student into, you're going to click on the pencil just to the right of that class's name. Once you click on the pencil, you'll see all the details that we already filled in before. Even though I said this was a grade 3 class, I should probably fix that so I can make that adjustment. And underneath here where it says Select Students, right now I see the 5 students that I added into my class, but I need to show to find the other students. So let's say I'm looking for another student. Again, I can search directly here, or I can just search my building by grade level, and then I can add in more students as they come in and become part of my class later on in the year. Once I've got more students, which I'm now up to 7 students, I can save my class, and that student is now part of my classroom. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching how to create your classes within ExactPath. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.